The world of advertising is constantly evolving, and Google Ads is no exception. With new features and improvements, Google Ads is set to revolutionize the way businesses reach their target audience. One of the most exciting developments in Google Ads is the integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning. These technologies allow for more precise targeting and personalized ad experiences, resulting in higher engagement and conversion rates. Another key improvement is the expansion of ad formats and placements. Google Ads now offers a wider range of ad formats, including video, display, and shopping ads, as well as new placements such as Gmail and YouTube. This gives businesses more opportunities to reach their target audience in the places they spend the most time. Google Ads is also making it easier for businesses to measure the effectiveness of their campaigns. With improved tracking and reporting, businesses can gain valuable insights into the performance of their ads and make data-driven decisions to optimize their campaigns. You can create Google Ad without paying anything or without adding any credit card or payment information by just installing and enabling VPN in your browser. An example is TunnelBear VPN, which is absolutely free, where you can change your location and use VPN. After installing VPN, set up Gmail account. If you are not in USA, you can use Ringtone, for instance, to get a US phone number. After getting US phone number, you can go to Google Ads from ads.google.com site. Set up your business account and launch your business campaign. It is all free by setting up a virtual card for billing such as Chipper Cash. Google will send you extra coupons once you finish your virtual card of $500. Here are some best practices for Google Ads campaigns. Define your target audience and use the right keywords to reach them. Use ad extensions to provide additional information and increase the visibility of your ads. Use conversion tracking to measure the effectiveness of your campaigns and make data-driven decisions. Test different ad variations to see what works best for your target audience. Monitor your campaigns regularly and make adjustments as needed to optimize performance. Use remarketing to reach people who have previously interacted with your website or ads. Click-through rate, CTR, is an important metric for measuring the success of your online advertising campaigns. Here are some tips to help you improve your CTR. Use attention-grabbing headlines and ad copy that clearly communicate the value of your product or service. Use high-quality, relevant images or videos to make your ads more visually appealing. Test different ad formats, such as animated GIFs and video, which have been shown to have higher click-through rates than written content. Make sure your ads are well targeted to your audience using demographic, geographic, and interest-based targeting. Use ad extensions such as site links, callouts, and structured snippets to provide more information and increase the chances of a click. Continuously test and optimize your ads using A/B testing to compare the performance of different ad variations. Monitor your click-through rate and make changes to your ads as needed to improve performance. The future of Google Ads is bright. With the integration of AI and machine learning, expanded ad formats and placements, and improved tracking and reporting, businesses can reach their target audience more effectively than ever before.